You're watching how to add sticky notes to your iPhone home screen. The iPhone does not have native sticky note widgets, but you can create one using the Shortcuts app. First, download a Notes app that supports widgets like Sticky Notes widget or Color Note from the App Store. After installing, open the app and create your note. Then press and hold on an empty area of your home screen until the apps jiggle. Tap the plus button in the top left corner. Search for the Notes app you installed, for example, Sticky Notes. Select the widget size, small, medium, or large, and tap Add Widget. The widget will appear on your home screen. You may need to configure it by tapping the widget after placing it, which will open the app to select which specific note to display. For a more custom solution using only Apple apps, use the Notes app with the Shortcuts app. Open Shortcuts, tap plus to create a new shortcut, add an action, search for note and select Create Note. Tap Show More and set the note content. Name your shortcut like Quick Note. Tap Next, then Done. To add this to your home screen, go to the Shortcuts tab, find your shortcut, tap the three dots, then the share icon, select Add to Home Screen, customize the icon and name, then tap Add. This creates a button that, when tapped, creates a new note. For a static note display, a third-party widget app is better. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.